should be fun. Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be taking this 1972 Chevelle down the road for a test drive, point out any kind of flaws that we can find. That way you know what you're getting before you get here. This one here has a crate 502, aluminum heads, aluminum radiator, electric fans. You can see it's set up. It's got a roll cage in it. It's ready to go down the strip. Disc brakes in the front. You can still drive this car down the road. It is street legal. Fuel pump in the back. Check us out at maplemotors.com. You can see all of our inventory. We post cars daily. Close to 100 detailed pictures of every car is available at maplemotors.com, along with financing and shipping. So be sure to jump over there. Every Monday, I update with new rides. But right now, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off down the road, we're gonna look around the interior, check some stuff out. Do you believe the horn works? It's a little game we like to play on the channel. This car kind of smells like gas on the inside, probably because it's been running. It's in good shape though. Interior's nice and clean, headliner looks good. The seat's in great shape. B&M shifter, reverse manual valve body, I believe. We're gonna find out here in a second. I know the gas gauge works. During the walk around video, it ran out of gas. And stuff like that happens. Of course, we're not here to hide anything, so I just left it in the video. And the gas gauge did come up to a quarter tank after I got some. Starts up nice and easy. Radio works. Oil pressure is up. Engine temp is working. I don't think that battery gauge is working. No windshield wipers on this one. And horn, are you ready? No horn. Let's take it down the road, see how it runs and drives. Anything I see, you'll know about it. Let's roll. All right, getting ready to take off here. Get the seatbelt on. Take off down the road. There's our reverse. Neutral. That should be first, and we should be going backwards if it's reverse manual valve body. That's what they told me in there. We'll find out here in a second. I've got on it a little more. Somebody just darted out in front of me. We'll do it on the back roads there. Big stall. Saying pretty quick. Alright, speedometer's coming up. Steering wheel's not perfectly straight. And of course they got the car sitting like this on purpose to get more traction when you hit. It is kind of going to the left a little bit, and that may be part of it. Turn signals are popping up on the dash on both sides. Our tach is working. This thing's a strong puller. The brakes, they're stopping fast. They're gonna need to. Down this way, pull up next to this building over here. I'm going to get some outside shots, drive over the camera, give you some undercarriage shots, and just kind of check this thing out here. make these videos, look below in the description. I put Amazon links to everything. Let's get these shots. Do here is take off down the road, head on back to the lot now. So far so good. Engine temperature is right at 190, oil pressure's at 40. This is definitely set up for the strip. It's got tons of power. Didn't have a big open area here. It'd be awesome if we had like a little racetrack or something to do these videos on. Maybe one day. It'd be incredible. Cut through the parking lot, try to avoid all the construction going on over here. I was going to cut through some of the back roads, but they're working on them now. I'm not sure what they're installing. They're putting something in. Made it to the clean part of the road. Tell you what, it runs and drives great. Super quick. Most everything's working other than the wipers and the horn. We do have some slack in the steering, about that much. That'll have to be addressed. This thing's definitely got the looks and the power. This is the road with the speed bump on it. You can listen for rattles and shakes and squeaks and all the good stuff. tell you what we're gonna do here. We'll give it a good little blast. Oh yeah. You just start getting into that gas pedal, it just starts shredding the tires. Most of the time right there, I was at a quarter throttle, and as soon as I got to about half, you heard it on that second shift, just started roasting. This car here is pretty quick, guys. I like it. I like it a lot. That right there wasn't even half throttle. It's quick. Just letting you know, trying to give you an idea here. I completely forgot about the speed bump. I was having fun. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. If you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. Watch both videos. There's a walk around video of this car as well. Y'all have a good one. Hey, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every day. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures. Shipping and financing is available. You can see all of our cars. We update every Monday with new inventory. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab another one. We're gonna go for another test drive here in a moment. I gotta pick out one of these cars here. I've got plenty to do today. I'll see y'all later.